All right, we are here at the DCFC game. I'm with a big fan. What is your name?
Evan Jones.
All right, Evan, how are you doing today?
Doing great. Excited for the game.
That is awesome. It's going to be a good one, right?
I'm excited for it. We're expecting a good turnout. So.
All right. Now, do you use Miss Dig 811? Have you ever used Miss Dig?
I have not personally, but I know my dad has when he started construction out in his yard. Just had to figure out where those lines were before they got the power running to their house. They wanted underground lines for the yard. So.
Thank you a lot. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you for watching Miss Diggs What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.